Hello friends, this is electromagnetic field meter model Tenmars TM-192 3-axis. This is its sensor is with 3 axes. I will decompile it to see what to can see what's inside. Sorry for this blurring. Okay, it's already open it. It's made in Taiwan. Let's see what's inside. So this is the schema. I'm not an engineer, I'm just a regular user, but I was curious what's inside and I want to share with you. So if you got with it, please like my video. It could be useful for other people. So it's look pretty good piece of work. The most interesting part was this 3-axis sensor. As you can see, there are 3 I don't know the term in English, but these are, it's obvious there are 3 axes. This direction, and this direction. So it's really 3 axes, and it will offer you the most accurate measurement of sorry, the magnetic field. There is a spring here, as you can see. It makes contact with this piece of aluminium on the backside of the device. I don't know what's its function, but it should have some purpose, I guess. So this is it. One more time, more closely. You cannot open this without unscrew the screws, so don't try to pull it up. And that's it. Thanks for watching.